welcome back to my channel, and yes, I'm bringing you guys my Walgreens haul. Walgreens this week, when I first was starting to think, I'm just like, it's not going to be a good week at all, but then as I was kind of looking through the ad and looking at deals, I'm like, okay, it could be an okay week. Just remember that thing is like 2 weeks away for their new point system. I've been talking to a lot of employees. They hate it. Walgreens has been giving points away like crazy just because they want you to get more points because they know they're going to lose a lot of customers. I'm still going to play by ear. I have a feeling this new point system might not last forever, but we'll see how it goes. But I'm not using all my points up because I feel like if I still go couponing every week, I still will be kind of rolling my points anyway. So, and they usually will give you a heads up if your points are going to be expiring soon anyways. So, yes, I'm kind of back from my little break. Like, Walgreens, I didn't really stop, but I just needed some time, and a lot of you guys were asking, and I just didn't feel like doing the Walgreens ads, but I will be doing those again, so you guys will have to stay tuned. Just times I just didn't want to do anything. I've been staying away from my computer as much as possible. Like, I do message you guys, or write back to you guys if you do comment, but just lately I just needed a break. I needed a vacation break. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. Sorry, I had a phone call. It was my father-in-law calling me. They're coming over today. After I finish filming, we're going to carve pumpkins, so I'm pretty excited about that. But the first deal I ended up getting is the Mentos gum. Now, these were 99 cents. Now, my store didn't have them tagged for the free register reward, but I know sometimes stores miss it. But what happened is my registered reward didn't even print, so will be contacting Walgreens about it. They're pretty good. They just give you points, so I'll be probably getting 1,000 points for this. But I ended up getting the Mentos gum, so you guys would pay 99 cents for this, which I thought it was 99 cents. Yeah, you guys would pay 99 cents for this, but then you're supposed to get a 99-cent register reward, but then it comes out to be free. But please keep in mind, like, I was in a group and a lot of people saying they weren't getting the registry rewards either, so it might be just a glitch. So I wanted to share with you guys with that. I ended up getting the Kellogg's cereal. Now, as you guys know, I'm a huge cereal fan. I love cereal. My husband's bothering me again. Sorry about that. Now my mother-in-law just called me. Okay, so the second deal that I could just try to finish this video with is Fruit Loops. Now, these are $1.99 and it's all Kellogg's products. My store only had like 3 Kellogg's. I think it was Fruit Loops, Frosted Flakes, and then I can't remember the other item, or Apple Jacks. So these were $1.99. You guys want to use a 2 off of 4 coupon that is on Kellogg's Family Rewards. Now, also make sure you guys submit your receipt to Kellogg's Family Rewards so you guys can get points with this. I love that site. I'm just gaining all my points so I can get some either gift cards or something with that. But you guys would end up paying $5.96 for the 4 of these. But then you guys can also submit your receipt to Checkout 51 for $2 off of 4. Now, if you guys haven't joined Checkout 51, they now have a referral program. I have the referral link below. So if you guys join, you guys, I think, will get $5 when you join, when you submit your first receipt. Checkout 51 is pretty good at giving you the money. And I also just cashed out the other day on PayPal. They used to only be able to send you a check, which was nice, but now I buy all my coupons and stuff through PayPal, so I ended up having it sent, and it was sent in less than 24 hours, so they just started doing that. So Checkout 51 is starting to be awesome, but definitely, if you guys haven't joined Checkout 51, click my referral link below, and you guys will get $5 once you guys submit your first receipt. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. But after everything's all said and done, you guys would pay $3.96 for 4 boxes of cereal, or just 99 cents. I got tons of cereal down by my feet, so I ended up getting 4 boxes of Fruit Loops. I love Fruit Loops. I even just like snacking on Fruit Loops, even without milk. I'll just put it in a bowl and just start snacking on it. So definitely wanted to do that. As you guys know, I'm a huge cereal connoisseur. So we got that. One thing I forgot to mention to you guys is the free 5x7 photo. This is today only, or Sunday today only. I sent a video showing you guys a video, or I made a video showing you guys to do this deal. Every year we have an ugly sweater party, and I always take a group shot of everybody, and I never printed it off from last year, so this is our group photo that we took. We always have one, so I needed to get as much people in here as possible. There is people's heads cut off, but hey, that's okay. Benjamin and I are right there. So, and then Benjamin met Bucky Badger. Wisconsin has Bucky Badger. We live in the state capital area, so he was super excited to meet Bucky. So I got those for my wall or whatever. So those are absolutely free, and that deal ends today. So check out that video because I do not remember the coupon code for that. I ended up getting the Mars Minis candy. Now, I don't know if there's any coupons out there for that, but these were 2 for $5. You guys want to use $1 off a 2 coupon that is in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would end up paying just $4 for the both of these, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate times 2 on Ibotta, making these just $3 or $1.50 a piece. These are, I got the hiccups now. These are great for like little snacks or just little ones, but these are super great. So had to get those just for something for us to just snack on. Now, I didn't get to do the Airwick deal last time, but I ended up getting some of those coupons, so I ended up doing the Airwick deal this time. So these were at $4.99. Now, we do have those $3 off coupons that you guys can use. You guys would end up paying $1.99 for this. So after that $3 off coupon, I think $1.99 is, and all it is just the cent thing, and then there is a can in here, and then they say it's a $4 off coupon. Or it's two different coupons. I don't know why it says $4 off coupon. But yeah, there's 2 coupons on the side. So whoopee-doo. So got that going on. The next deal I ended up doing is the Garnier Fructis deal. Now these were 2 for $7. You guys want to use that 3 off a 2 coupon that we just got in today's paper. You guys also want to use that $1 off coupon that is on the Walgreens booklet, and it'll deduct off $1 for both of them. You guys would just get these for $1 a piece, so $2 for both of them, which could be a pretty good, decent deal. I was going to do the Persil deal, but I ended up doing it at CVS. It's pretty much the same deal. You can also submit your receipt. So I think it was $4.99 at Walgreens. You guys use that $2 off coupon. You guys would pay $3.99 or $2.99. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Saving Star, making it just 99 cents. I'm out of breath like crazy all of a sudden. Sorry, I'm like, my son plugged in a lava lamp right next to me, so it's just like all lava-y, and I just got to keep looking at it. So yes, that was my haul. I will not be doing a second haul. I won't be doing a second haul for a while, you guys, because their sales have just not been great. I've ran into people, I've talked to people, the employees have even said their sales have not been great. It's been down for like, I want to say 2 months. Like, I don't do second hauls anymore because their sales have just been ridiculous. I don't know what is going on with Walgreens. I hope they step it up. My husband's been working like crazy. He works at the distribution center, but he's been working like crazy, and I'm like, how are you guys working like crazy? You know, I just don't understand. But yeah, so my total came to $6.57. Now, I did have some registry rewards that I received the previous week for those Oreo bars, so I ended up using all those up. Now, you guys have to have filler items when you use those, but I was using 1 coupon for these 2 items, so I could use a register reward going towards this. The Kellogg's cereal, I bought 4 items, but I was only using 1 coupon, so I used those. I didn't have any coupons for this, so I used a register reward for that. So that's how you guys can use those register rewards. You just have to make sure you guys kind of have a filler item. Just basically means it's an item that doesn't have a special coupon. So if you have 5 coupons and you have 10 items, you guys can use 5 register rewards. So just want to give you guys a heads up on that. But I also get an employee discount, so just giving you guys a heads up with that. But my total came to $6.57. I will be complaining to Walgreens about the register reward, so they will be giving me 1,000 points for that. So I should be getting a 99-cent register reward. Checo 51, I will be getting $2 back for the Kellogg's cereal. And then Ibotta, I got $1 back for the 2 bags of the Mars mini candies. So my total came to $2.58. I ended up getting 10 items. That was just, I can't read my writing all of a sudden, but it comes out to be 26 cents a piece, which I think is an excellent deal. But yes, I am here to show you guys more deals. Now please keep in mind, I don't know what I was just gonna say, but I know I will be showing you guys possibly a Walgreens or a Walmart and Target haul later on this week. I finally got ambition and just kind of getting out of my little bug that I was in, but I hope to see you guys more. A lot of you guys have been saying there's like fuzz floating, like when you have a big bright light, it's just fuzz and it's like argh. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know how many times because I keep coughing and I need my water. So this is take like number 5. But I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already for more craziness on couponing. And I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.